So, we've talked about how to add polynomials together. This is an example of how to add polynomials together, but what if I wanted to subtract two polynomials instead? That's an addition sign, but we're going to talk about what you do when that addition sign is a subtraction sign. Yeah, exactly right, exactly right. So this has changed now, so we're not going to do it exactly the same as we did before. Now, when you are subtracting, this changes things. This minus sign changes things. It doesn't change everything, but it changes everything that comes after it. Now, a couple of ways you can think about this. Way number one, pretend that that negative sign is actually a negative one. We're going to distribute that negative one through the whole group here. I'm going to multiply everything in that set times negative one. Now, nothing changes in the first set. There's no negative sign out here, nothing out here to distribute, nothing changes. So I am going to write those down exactly the way they are. Now, everything changes in the second set, not just the numbers though, only the signs. So let's distribute. What is negative 1 times positive 3x squared? The only thing changes is the sign. It used to be positive, and now negative 3x squared. Now it's going to be the same for the rest of the terms in here. I'm going to take this negative 1 and multiply it times negative 2x, which makes, of course, positive 2x. And then finally, I'm going to take that negative 1 more time, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply it down there times negative 5. And negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. Exactly right. I got one more step left to do now. You know what that one last step is? Of course, combine like terms. Clean up your room. Put the stuff that goes together, just like before. X squared, put them together. X squared and negative 3x squared make what? That's right, negative 2x squared. Moving right along with the negative 3x and the positive 2x, put them together. Negative 3 plus 2 is exactly right, negative 1x. And then last but not least, of course, the 4 and the 5, I put them together to make positive 9. I'm done, son. Circle it. Done. With subtraction, things change. So don't forget, first thing doesn't change, there's no negative in front. Second group, everything changes in the second group. Now, once you get a good handle on this, let me show you a real quick shortcut. Let's go back to the beginning. Yep. Now, once you get a good handle on this, you're going to realize that still, the first thing doesn't change. See? But what does change is every sign in the second set. You see how this 3x used to be positive? Guess what it is now? Negative, exactly right. That negative 2x, it used to be negative. Guess what it is now? Positive 2x, exactly right. And that negative 5, that used to be negative when I changed the sign, guess what it's going to be now? Positive 5. And of course, don't forget to divide like terms. And as you see, we're going to get the same exact answers we got before. So, two things you could do. Distribute a negative 1 or change every sign.